Hi guys, I want to touch this topic once again, and I think I'll be doing this like at least once a month. It's about mobile traffic. I keep seeing this that we over optimize for desktop on our big screens as advertisers or graphic designers, but the reality is that shopping happens on mobile. This is just a rough example of split between mobile and desktop from 60 to 40, but it goes up to the biggest one that I've seen. It was something around 75% on mobile and the rest on the desktop. So I want to emphasize how this looks in numbers. Now, everybody knows that we should optimize for mobile, but why should we care? So let me give you just a few examples. By the way, you can pull easily that through a business reports. Go to the business reports by ASIN or just sales reports and traffic. And on the right, you will see an option to expand and add additional columns to your table, add sessions on mobile app and sessions browser, and you can see the split between your overall sessions and how many of them are coming from mobile app and how many from the browser. That will give you enough information how you're standing and where you should optimize. So this is the actual example for the 40-60 split. So 4 sales on desktop, 6 sales on mobile. So you're optimized your listing pretty well on desktop and you're converting at roughly 11% on average, taking these 4 orders. And then you have additional 6 orders on your crappy listings on mobile, as everything is small, everything is not readable. So you convert sometimes at 2%, sometimes at 1%, averaging at around 4%. On average, it gives you your conversion rate that you're seeing 6.77%. Unfortunately, we don't see the split, at least not in Campaign Manager. We see that on desktop, on DSP, but here you can only see that your average conversion rate is 6.77, and you would think that's it, that you reached your plateau. Reality is that under the hood, you under-optimized your listing for mobile. So you have 11% on desktop and 4% on mobile, giving you difference of 7%. And what that actually means in terms of money is that if you, let's say on average monthly level, you have 40,000 clicks, your price is $29. At 4%, you're having 1,600 orders, earning $46,000 on mobile. Then on desktop, 11%, everything is the same. You get ton of more orders and you get $127,000. So be in this bucket for both desktop and mobile. So that's, you can clearly see the difference. Okay, in this example, it's a huge jump, but let's say you jump from 4% on mobile to 6% on mobile. That's easy 23,000 in 1 month. So even if you invested 5,000 in your listing optimization, that's easy money that you get ROI of how much in 1 month, and on period of 1 year, that's a lot of money. Even if you just increase your conversion rate from 4% to 6%, but it's usually much higher. And the guys who are doing this day in and out and optimizing the A plus content, the listings, and the storefronts can tell you and trust their numbers when they tell you sometimes they see 3x, 10x, 15x of sales when you do this, because there are so many under optimized listings out there. Don't be that one person. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.